More than 500 houses had been affected due to heavy hailstorm on 5th of May. Nnpc urged the authority concerned intervention to provide relief materials as soon as possible. The Secretary of Nongpok Ningthau Panthoibi Development Committee, Haikam Jadumani, also thanked the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh for releasing funds for providing relief materials to those affected houses caused by hailstorm. He further requested the official concerned to visit Keirao, Bitra to collect data so that affected people could receive the relief materials soon as they are presently taking shelters at State Ayush Hospital and nearby houses.
Ngasi nongnini gi mamangda sitkhiba tamthiraba nonglei nungsit lien yawbaduna Keirao khunji pura khuntak lanchire Keirao khungi akhoi hojik leijariba ibudong nongpok ningthau panthoibi paibungoi maibe magi laisang gi pura salak sare Keirao khunda leiriba yumthong akhoi record khonggat chabada household di sawnga ga nifu muk khara sinatabida tongan chaba thadramne masida leiriba yum khudingmak se loina mak jarab sare amatta hodaba haibasi leitre mai magi phaucheng loina chona re insang napi loina mangre aduna praja singji asuki matik awa na haibadu thokle ngarang mak honorable chief minister na chiar Lauraga press meet ama tawbada lupa crore taruka lak mawdramu kaithokpidana relief ki mateng pangbiragani lauthorpase yamna akhoi nungaijai tawbada bo akhoi sarkar ge mafamda appeal am khaktang tawjage madudi akhoi fil da laga survey tawba ngai leragadi akhoi aji nong ta salaktana awana tariba mayamje laifam laitabagi asoba awaba mayoknare maramaduna se thagatna record khongatpagi mahuta akhoi gi mari lainaba DC gi official sing akhoi khungi leiriba club ki committee gi volunteer sing loina mateng pangjage khudakta lakpiraga ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥ ꯑꯅꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ